Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the branch. Do this now rather than trying net banking. Once at the counter, request the mobile number updation form and present your photo ID, photocopy, passbook, and a canceled check. Fill the form carefully with the new number and account details. Make sure the account name matches your ID. Sign where required exactly as on bank records. Hand the completed form to the officer. Keep your ID ready for verification. Once the form is submitted, the officer will verify your original ID and may capture a biometric or compare signatures. This is why you must be the account holder present. They will attach the photocopy to your form and process it through internal channels. Processing can be immediate or take a day. Make sure they stamp and return the acknowledgement slip containing a reference number. Hold onto that receipt. It's your evidence if anything needs follow-up. After submission, expect an SMS to the new number confirming registration. This typically arrives within 24 to 48 hours. Once done, make sure you can receive OTPs for net banking and mobile banking. Register again for any app MPIN if needed. If you do not get confirmation, call the branch quoting your acknowledgement reference and ask for status. If unresolved, revisit the branch with the stamped receipt and original ID to escalate and complete the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.